Hey everybody, it's Tanya Tomic, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nomad Cosmetics Home for the Holidays eyeshadow palette. Nomad Cosmetics is cruelty-free and vegan, and this palette was made in conjunction with the Dallas County Humane Society, and 5% of the proceeds does go to benefit the Dallas County Humane Society. This is the outer package, so pretty. It's got little snowflakes and bows and the Nomad logo. And when you open it up, and it does have the puppy, the Christmas puppy on the outside, and you open it up and it's a sparkle cover here. It's so pretty. On the back is an example of the different shades and a little bit of information. And on the back of this is a little information and the limited edition eyeshadow palette right here. Right now it is currently still for sale. Beautiful outer packaging. When you open it up, and I have to say I really appreciate this. When you open up, there's just a tiny bit of tissue paper to protect the shadows, and I appreciate that because it's not a glaring piece of plastic that you have to throw away. And there's also no plastic on the mirror, but the mirror is or was protected by the tissue paper. I just put my hands all over it and got fingerprints on it. But it did come out nice and pristine without having a plastic. So there is no plastic in this, except for the glitter, actually. Here's the shades. It's a 9-pan palette. It's all shimmers and 1 black matte. And it's all beautiful Christmas holiday colors here. And let me go ahead and swatch these for you. So Evander, and the names I think are all names of shelter dogs, I believe. So we've got Evander, Shadoa, and Kaiser. And I'll just swatch them here. Oh, I think those are the names because here's family, friends, and fur babies, which can't be names. And that's single swatches each. They're so rich, pigmented, and creamy. There's a little bit of oil base in all of their shadows. Then we've got Buzz, Jack, and Dusty, which I'm gonna guess are the names again. And I am, because of the nature of the shadows, there's no more, you know, when I swatched them, the logo went away, but the matte one still has a little bit of the Nomad logo in it. But I'll go ahead and swatch these. Look at that black. So beautiful, and also screams holiday. It also reads very holiday to me. Really pretty. So the matte black is gorgeous. I love it, and I love all the other shimmer colors. And it's the kind of palette that can either be a companion palette where you use the shimmer just on the lid, or I did my look just using this palette, and I'll show you how I did that in just a moment. So I have my eyes primed with Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Dusty, the black color. And I'm just going to make a shape, like a wing-like shape on my outer part of my eye. And I'm going to kind of stop halfway through. And I'm going to bring it under 2. I'm So I'm also going to take the black and I'm going to go underneath. Hi, Max. Come see me. Come on. Come and see me, baby. Meow. Come and see me. Ouch. Can you lay there? This black is really good black. I really, really like this black. It's not too dark with the first layer. I can sheer it out. It's creamy, but also it can get really, really deep. I really like this a lot. So next I'm going to go into Jack, this purple shade. Okay, I got a little bit of fallout with Jack using a brush. I'm just going to go over the black. I don't know if you can hear it, but this guy came up to see me. So I got quite a bit of fallout with this purple. I feel like if you just applied it with a finger, it probably wouldn't be giving so much fallout. And I'm going to just lightly go above the black as well. I'm sort of creating like an arc. Then I'm going to take the blue Buzz and kind of fill in the front part. And then I'm going to take Shadowa on the lid. I'm just using the brush to blend back and forth. Blend all the colors together. Because they're blending really nicely together. Max, you can sit on my lap. Come on. You can sit on my lap. I like you. I'm not sure if I'm going to regret this or not, but I'm going to try using the green underneath. Oh, honey. I'm just placing it on top of where I put the black. So I have to say I have fallout all over my face. A little bit. Oh, Max. I actually like the green. I don't mind it at all. And I'm going to use Evander, the white one. The inner corner. And on the very bottom too. Blend it in. Max, you can sit on my lap. You don't want to? Okay. Kitty. Kitty got some needs right now. Ow. Ow. The colors blend really, really nicely together. It was really easy. Really easy to do this. The worst part of it is the fallout. Let me try to clean that up and do the rest of my eyes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I was able to wipe away a lot of the fallout. I do have a little bit of sparkle on my face, but it's not too bad. What do I think of this Home for the Holidays palette? I think it's wonderful. I think it's worth it. I love that it goes to a worthy cause. I think the shadow quality is really good. It's really creamy and smooth. They blend into each other really well. One thing I'd be curious about is if the matte can go on top of the shimmers. I don't know. You might be able to blend it in because it's so creamy. But I thought it was the safest bet to put the shimmers on top this time. So it's something that I might try later and see if it works. But I really like it. I feel really holiday-y, like dark holiday, Christmas tree-like. And I really enjoy it. I would recommend it if you're looking for, you know, the sparkle shades or really good black, but they do have black in some of their other palettes. But I would recommend it if you are looking for these kind of holiday sparkle colors, because they have all the colors that you think of for holiday and they are really good shimmers. So let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you're getting this or waiting on this, or if there's other palettes from Nomad Cosmetics that you would like, or that you have, or that you have questions about. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.